What on earth is some bloke talking to you about cryptocurrency mining at an energy conference? Because surely it uses lots of power. Cryptocurrency and renewable energy actually go hand in hand together better than most people can dare to imagine. And we work now with over 70 different renewable energy sites across the UK, hydro, wind, solar, anaerobic digestion. The products that we have also don't depend on renewable energy because a normal plug socket and internet connection will run just fine. It's just there's some extra little bits of cherry on top should you have that infrastructure. How can you just have a machine that turns on, plugs in and earns you revenue every day? All sounds a little bit crazy. If you guys have got a website for your business, you've typically been paying web hosting fees. Effectively somewhere there's a big warehouse of computers and you're paying 20 quid a month, let's say, in order to rent that computational power. So whoever owns those computers is earning a passive revenue every month. And in the cryptocurrency and blockchain world, in order for all those transactions to be processed, they need to be physically computed on the machine. And effectively, you can buy those machines from companies like ours, plug them in, and because you're the owner of that equipment, you get paid for helping process those transactions. Rather than exporting your energy, or now as an option for constrained power, you're able to use the servers, you're able to sell the coins as and when, and then obviously you can convert that number for pounds and pence. So over that same 4-year period, a 1.5 kilowatt device, again, you can scale that to whatever size the site requires, you'd have effectively earned £1.27 per kilowatt consumed over that entire length of 4-year period. All of us in the industry know this last year has been phenomenal for power purchase agreements with everything that's been going on in the world, but nothing has come close to that number. And equally now things have equally come back down on the other side of things, and if you're getting 15 pence on your export when you're renewing for next year, that's going to be pretty attractive. So to see these types of numbers that you can earn instantaneously, it is a very attractive thing indeed.